Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to the Scantool Network. In this video we're taking a closer look at the iCarSoft CR Max. We're in a 2017 Ford Transit and I'm going to put the key in the ignition here. I'm going to show you the message that we're getting. Oil change required, as you can see, so it's probably quite familiar. This tool is the iCarSoft CR Max, and we're going to use it to reset that oil change required message. The tool is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'm going to pop the link to this kit in the description below this video. The reason that's important is because there are fakes, there are clones on the market. They can damage your vehicle, so it's not worth going down that route. But if you use the link in the description, it will take you through to the genuine and official product. Okay, so we've got the ignition on and we're going to click on to diagnostics. We've got the tool plugged into the OBD2 port, which I'm not sure if you can see it on this vehicle, but it's kind of like just down there. So we're going to select Ford. Now this is a 2017 vehicle, so it enjoys the function that the tool can actually automatically find the vehicle. With some older vehicles, you might have to put the vehicle information in manually, but watch what it do here. So we go auto identify, and it's automatically found the VIN number and the rest of the vehicle details. Okay, so we're just going to click on to OK. And then it should open up a new menu. So what you can do from here is automatically scan the whole vehicle for faults. You can, if you wish, to choose to do faults, sort of find faults from a specific system in the vehicle, but in this particular case it's a service item or service function that we're trying to reset. So we've got oil change required, so we're clicking into the service section, and then we're going to find the oil service reset function. So we've got 10 different functions here that we can possibly do on this particular vehicle. It will change depending on your vehicle, okay? But we've got oil service reset at the bottom here, so we're going to click onto that. Oil reset. We're going to go manual oil reset, and basically it's telling us what to do. So it's giving us all of the functions of exactly what we need to do. So it's what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to pop that on the screen there, just so it gives you a better idea of exactly what you need to do, and obviously you can pause this screen if you need to. So I've got the screen with the instruction on here. I've had a quick read of it, and what I'm going to do now is pop the key in the ignition and pop it to the first item, or first option, and then what I've got to do is I've got to press the clutch and the throttle fully for 20 seconds. So I'm currently pressing them now. And then I guess we've got to kind of just wait until a message changes. So the oil change required message should change pretty soon. That is assuming we've done this correctly. So it's gone off. Now I don't know if it's actually reset itself or not, but we'll take the key out. What I'll do is I'll just lock the car, just to reset it, unlock it, and pop the key back in. And are we getting the message now? That doesn't look like we are, which is good. And we start the engine. So that's good, really. So all I really did was turn the key to position 1, press the brake and the throttle, or brake and the accelerator, down for 20 seconds, and then the message automatically turned off, and then you can restart, reset everything, and it's gone as we saw. So we'll just double check that again. We'll just lock the car, we'll start it again, oh sorry, unlock it should I say, key in, and this is where we were getting the message last time. So if we just start the engine, there we go, that's all done, all reset for you. But this is the iCarSoft CR Max, so this is obviously, if you wanted to do that little function, you probably don't need to buy this tool, but if you did want to buy it, then it does lots of different service functions and sort of vehicle system scans, resets, and loads of live data, which we have put other videos on this channel for as well. But that's the iCarSoft CR Max, and this is a genuine and official tool, so if you are interested, use the link in the description. You can pick it up there, same day dispatch, worldwide shipping. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.